What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Castle World. This is part two of the, I guess we won't call this, the fried Cornish hen video? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, here's a mukbang, Jack. And, y'all see my wife over there. She going in. She going in on her food. She ain't playing. But, there went the meal. I'm trying to, get my angles right here, y'all, so. I'm gonna go ahead and get the mac. As you see, tiger sauce on deck. Need a little black pepper on my rice. A little salt. Got a cup of that oolah, y'all. So, Ghost Nation, I tell you this. The channel has been growing. Every time I turn around, we got new subscribers, so I'm really thankful. Believe that. I'm really thankful about that, and for everybody who subscribed. Hey, look, thank you. I'm gonna keep the videos coming. Man, I am starving, y'all. I love this tiger sauce. Tiger sauce is the bomb. My wife has yet to try this. When she does, she gonna be like, "Oh, we're gonna have to get more." My daughter though, she gonna tear it up. But this video kind of late, y'all. We made this video kind of late. It's about it's almost 11 o'clock my time. It's like 10:40.
Yeah, 10:40.
And I'm usually do at work already, but they call and told me don't come in until midnight. So I was like, hey, no perfect time than now. Do a video, get some food in, cook. I knew my wife was hungry. She was knocked out too. You what, baby?
Ooh.
Yeah, I know. Hey, y'all. You know, the mukbangs ain't easy to do. Usually, a lot of people eating cold food. I don't like cold food. So I try to eat as soon as I get my food. And when you cook, your food be fire. As you see, this is hot as hell. It got plenty of flavor, though. Good, baby? Mm-hmm. My wife over there smashing, y'all. It is good, though. If you never fried a Cornish hen, you got to try it. This is something my daddy put me on a long time ago. Ooh, look at the heat. I don't know if y'all can see that smoke. I can't see it on there myself, but this is hot, y'all. I'm telling you. And with that tiger sauce, oh, God. You should try a little of that tiger sauce, baby. You probably love it. It got a little spice to it, but you know what it reminds me of exactly? Mild sauce. So it's like mild sauce with just a little spice. So I usually get my mild sauce. Y'all, anybody from Chicago, y'all know what mild sauce is. So, you know what I'm saying? Usually when I get my mild sauce, I always at Harold's. Or usually get, you know what I'm saying, some hot sauce too. But with this tiger sauce, it's like having hot sauce and your mild sauce all in one, which is bomb. And it's not overbearing. It's not like you're going to burn your mouth off of it. You know what I'm saying? Like they call it, the sweet heat. The juice popped all on my face. I don't know if y'all saw that, but this thing is juicy, y'all. I'm telling you. And the skin, it's got kind of a mild crisp to it. Some of it's crunchy, some of it's nice and soft. But at the end of the day, it's all tender. So if you've been keeping up with the videos, you know it's my wife's birthday. She just passed. Her wife, not she did, just passed. Her wife's birthday just passed. Not she passed. But so we went out for her birthday. Went up to a place called Lucky Strikes. It was a dope little bowling alley. We had a good time. Everybody was bowling, drinking, eating. They had Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Them things was good, y'all. I had never had a Philly cheesesteak egg roll. It's definitely something I'm gonna try to recreate. I just gotta get me some those what you call those little things they wrap the egg rolls in?
I forgot.
I can't think of it either. I'm gonna get some of those. I'm gonna try to make them. Make me a Philly cheesesteak egg roll, and they was dipping them in cheese. Yeah,
Cheese sauce.
yeah, like a jalapeno cheese sauce. They were so bad. I'm telling you, y'all, this is so good. My my boy used to love coming over to eat all the time. Dan, all he had to do was hear I was cooking, and he'd come flying over. We ain't seen old Dan in a little while. I've seen him since the White Castles video, y'all, but not too much. He was supposed to be at my wife's birthday, but he didn't show. Mm-hmm. Called at the last minute. I said he couldn't make it. So, I'm there. So, it is what it is. But, shoot. Then we went and seen Lavelle Crawford, y'all. Man, Lavelle lost a lot of weight. But he funny as hell still. Hell of a show. Even the comedians before him was good. I enjoyed it. I know my wife enjoyed it. We were laughing our butts off. You know, after her birthday party though, we were so tired. Man, we slept the whole day away. Y'all been trying to figure out, dang, he went a day or two without posting. Now you know why. Your boy I was dead, man. You know what I'm saying? I was dead. And now my daughter, she back in school. She got track coming up. Y'all, she fast. Maybe when track season start, I get a couple of videos in there for y'all of her running. That girl like to win. She been working out. They took state last year. Boys and girls. They looking forward to doing it again this year. But they got some new guns out too. I've been looking at. Y'all know I love my guns, so I've been in the gun store. But I'm gonna actually get some shooting videos coming up because I got a request or something. So I'm gonna go out to the desert, to range or something, and go shoot. Let's go shoot. Let's see what's up. You know. I was thinking about some targets. Or either just get a big old plastic bottle and fill it with water and shoot it. And then you can see where groupings and...
Do like they do back in the day.
Yeah.
Get some cans.
Some cans. I ain't want to do no bottles because the glass break and it'd be everywhere. Mm-hmm. But cans you can do. You know, because I can pick them up. I don't want to...
Excuse me.
Hey. You know I can do. Y'all heard that, Belch? That's a salute to the chef on the slide. And we was thinking of some trips too, y'all. So let me know if y'all want to see when we start traveling. Might as well do some vlogs, right? I thought it'd be pretty dope. Especially depending on where we go.
Wait, Foxy, I gotta get this.
I don't know if we're doing this cruise or not. Oh, we still going to Cancun for my cousin's wedding because my wife been kind of sick. So that one may not happen. I'm gonna tell you one thing. If it do, I'm taking y'all with me. Y'all gonna see every bit of that because that's gonna be a bomb trip, y'all. Mm.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. I almost picked up the hot sauce and drunk it.
The wife almost drank hot sauce, y'all. Oh, it's too long. I got the last paper towel, y'all. I split that with my lady. What's up, baby? Yeah. And as we continue, the food out of sight. Down in the comments, if y'all got any ideas or y'all think of anything that I should do a video on, if it's a place y'all want me to go check out, let me know. And y'all, I didn't forget about that other place y'all was talking about. I got it on the list. It's coming soon. With everything going on, I haven't had a chance to get there yet. I'm gonna try to get there. Matter of fact, I might try to get there this weekend. We don't have no plans, do we? Yeah, we don't have no plans. Hey, tell me them in the comments. Okay, so we all know it's gonna be the Chiefs. It's gonna be the Niners. And go to Super Bowl, y'all. Who y'all gonna say win? Make sure you put it in the comments who y'all saying gonna win the Super Bowl. Neither one of my teams, but it's gonna be one heck of a bowl. This is gonna be the bloody bowl with them both being red. But I'm saying the 49ers, y'all. And you already know I'm putting this out there, so I'm saying the 49ers are gonna take it. But it's gonna be one hell of a Super Bowl. This is gonna be a good game. So down in the comments, you know what I'm saying? Please put in who y'all think gonna win the Super Bowl. I appreciate y'all tuning into this video. I missed my whole damn mouth. But that's really it for this one, y'all. So please, like, comment, subscribe. And I'm going to keep on bringing more videos to this channel. And we're going to grow throughout 2020, y'all. Make this something big. And like I said, once I hit that big mark, that 10,000 mark, I'm coming back with giveaways and everything. So let's keep on striving for 10,000 right now. And then we'll set a new goal once we reach that.